Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting your data. Back up contacts and photos before making changes. Once backed up, make sure the device has at least 50% charge and a reliable Wi-Fi connection because updates and clears can use bandwidth. Now open Settings, go to Apps or Applications, and locate Google Play Services. This is where you'll perform the first corrective actions. Do these steps immediately. They prevent data loss and let you proceed to targeted fixes without interruption. Once in the app page, force stop Google Play Services to halt background processes. This prevents conflicts while you clear data. Then clear cache and clear storage. That removes corrupt temporary files and reset settings. Next, update Google Play Services and the Play Store. An outdated component often causes crashes, so install the latest version or sideload a compatible APK if updates fail. Finally, reboot the device to apply changes and load fresh processes. If issues persist, remove your Google account and then re-add it. This refreshes authentication tokens and sync. You can also uninstall updates to Google Play Services in the app menu to revert to a stable version, or, if nothing else works, perform a factory reset after backing up. This is a final measure. If the problem still occurs, boot into safe mode to test whether third-party apps cause the crash. Troubleshooting tip: safe mode quickly isolates conflicts so you can uninstall the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.